Okay, so I got a message on somebody left me a message on my channel, and was asking me how come I don't talk about depression and what I do to keep from being depressed and all that stuff. I mean, I don't talk about it because it's fucking depressing. So, I mean, all I can say is you got to get up out of your chair or off your couch, and get out and go do stuff. Go exercise, go walk, go riding, go driving, go hiking. I mean, do whatever you like to do, and that in itself probably is the best medicine that I've ever had, is just to get up and go do it. Get off the couch, stop watching Netflix or Hulu, stop watching movies and get out and go make a movie. I mean, keep taking your meds, go to the gym, find some supportive friends if you got them. You gotta make do. You gotta do what you gotta do to not quit. That's the thing, is just keep going and not quitting. Never give up. Just keep digging, even though you feel like you gotta quit or you're not gonna make it or whatever. But eventually you come out of it. Find some cool places to go walk. I mean, like this little man-made lake here, it's like 4 miles around. I try to come up here at least once a week. Even if it's raining, I'll still come. So that's kind of my advice. Just keep on keeping on. Get up off the couch and go do something. That's the only way you're gonna feel any better, is to get up and go and move and enjoy life. Go see some cool stuff. Just keep on getting it. Look here, look at all these cool ducks and stuff.
I need you more.